Hey, this is Tyler with Dieselgeek. In today's video, we're going to be covering the installation of a timing set on this 2002 Jetta TDI. The ALH engine was used from 98 through 2003 for all Mark IV TDI vehicles in the North American market. We'll be shooting this on a full-rise 2-post lift. You don't need a lift to do this job, however it makes filming a lot easier. We'll begin by covering the tools required. From there, we'll move through accessing the timing compartment, removing and replacing components, physically timing the engine, reassembly, and lastly, we'll cover electronically checking and adjusting start of injection timing with VCDS. Along the way, we'll hone in on professional techniques, critical torque specs, and cover all the important facets of the job in a very high level of detail. We recommend you watch this video first before beginning any work, then follow along with us on your phone as you perform the job. This video is provided as a streaming license free of charge when you purchase a timing kit for your 98 through 2003 year model ALH TDI. It is also available as an a la carte purchase from our website, dieselgeek.com.